So we're going to focus on bursting now, which is blocking and striking at the same time. This is extremely useful against weapon techniques. And this is something that we just saw, we were training on the pad of blocking and striking, learning to get power. When in theory, when we do this, we're probably going to be going with a finger jab to the eyes. Okay? So Britney's going to do the ice pick stab. Okay? We're also going to try to work on just a little bit of 360 defense right now. But we're attacking with the blade of the hand. So I want to divert it. I don't want this to happen. That, I'm going to lose this battle, okay? I want to actually divert it. Even if I get cut on the arms and the shoulder, that's fine. In a knife fight, it's going to happen. This is survival. So an ice pick, stab, at the same time, and my power comes from the step and from my front leg coming forward. Okay? I don't want too much of a turnover because I'm actually, when we go again, I'm actually going to go for the eyes. Okay? Now if you come underneath, okay? Here, eyes, sorry. And if you come in straight, sorry about that, straight, just a straight jab, same thing. So everything is happening at the same time, okay? Here, okay? Same time, block and strike, ice pick, block and strike. And I'm coming forward. When somebody attacks you with a weapon, you have only that one chance to stop them. That one into the eyes is pretty much, or the throat. A normal punch or a palm isn't good enough. You need to go for vital points because this is the only thing that's going to distract your opponent for a millisecond to get him to where you can use your move to get the weapon or disarm them or take them down. So this is bursting. We want to practice this often about learning how to block and strike at the same time. Again, real slow. When you're here, hand blade. My blade against the wrist. Okay, here ice pick. Okay, going here. Boom, okay? Again, I don't want this. This is a problem. I want out, okay? Even if you're bringing it, ice pick around, okay? Same thing. I have to be able to fall on a 360 plane. I have to be able to pick off the strike and then follow my strike with a block at the same time. So how to train bursting on a pad, okay? And we're gonna go slow. Fingers, okay, to train that, because that's the main thing I think people should use on this move. So if he goes underneath, okay, same thing. All right, get my torso away, and we're bursting. So this is a good way to practice your power with bursting with the pad.
Side note, if you're gonna be doing a lot of this, it's a good idea to have an arm pad or something, or even a Muay Thai pad that you can hold under your knife. Just because you're gonna hurt your friend's arm and you keep hitting it with your hard arm bones.
Yes. When I'm actually doing this when we were training, and I wasn't going very hard, but still, this is extremely sensitive. When you're hitting with the blade, it can cause a lot of damage quick.
Also, if you hit them hard enough when you do it, you can make the knife fly out of their hand.
Absolutely. Yep, practicing that striking and blocking at the same time, it's the most important part of all the knife defense we're going to get into.